Well, until we moved to Vermont, we lived in Chicago for about 20 years. And while I was out there, I did some performance poetry with a buddy, Al DiGenova, who was a professional saxophone player and played with blues bands all over town. And because I had Al to work with, I figured I had to write a poem that kind of went with the night of life, the neon night, the city. And so I wrote this poem, Nightlife. The sweaty pride of young hips grooves to an Afro-Carib beat. The sweet sound of crowd smiles and the lead singer's dreadlocks swinging in the heat, glistening in the summer night of lakefront stars and breeze. As a drummer thumps a pulse, the sidewalk dance floor shakes like a heartbeat in the stillness of the city after the offices have closed and the commuters have gone home. Ambling Halstead, in search of midnight eyes in blue, slip into the rhythm streets. Golly gee tourists in honking yellow cabs, mesmerized in routines of moonlight and neon. The reverential sax man blows a prayer to 17 kinds of body hair and all the known ways to tattoo a tender thigh and pierce a nipple. The smell of spilled beer and cheap perfume collides with the night's momentum as the speed of everything increases towards supernovas of exaltation and desire. The room gets hotter, the band gets hotter, the air gets thicker, the beer comes fast and cold, till the bartender finally pushes back, heaves a sigh, gives the bar a wipe, folds his rag and cries, "Last call, last call." 5 a.m. Trash cans overturned on the empty street. The corner warning light flashes yellow through fog off the lake. A caravan of ragged faces under the racket of the L, a long way from home, starts its way to someone's sometime sunrise place for one more round. It might look like Sunday morning, but it's still Saturday night.